Hello, viewers. Welcome to this week's edition of Daddy One Said, the voice of an old wise word. Please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and even repost our videos. Thank you. Stop telling people your plans this year. Not everywhere listening. Wish you well. Some are there to study you and celebrate you when you fall. Don't tell people your plan. Show them your results. Any world you don't want your enemy to know, don't tell your friend. Instead, telephone to Jesus through royal telephone, which is prayer. Oh, walk in silence. Let success make the noise. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 3 says, whoever guards his mouth preserves his life. He who opens wide his lips comes to ruin. Until it's done, tell none. Proverbs chapter 21 verse 23 says, whoever keeps his mouth and his tongue keeps himself out of trouble. And that's the voice I know that's not for this week. Don't forget to our videos. See you next week. Bye bye.